Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add something to an image in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add something to an image, you just simply have to open your Discord, and after opening the Discord, open Midjourney bot. Then after opening Midjourney bot, you just simply have to select the image where you want to add something. Now, I want to add something into this image, so I'll tap into this where I bracket under region option. Then after tapping into that option, this image will be opened into this section. Now you just simply have to select the area where you want to add something into the image. For example, I'm selecting her clothes into here and add some red flowers in her clothes into the command. And you also have to type what you want to add into the picture into this command section like I did. Now after doing that, just simply tap into this button and Midjourney will create the results according to your prompt. This way you can easily add something to an image that you have generated using Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.